Hello guys, and in today's video we have the brand new Infinix Hot 60. I'm going to be showing you how you can perform a hard reset on your Infinix Hot 60 in case you have forgotten your pattern or password. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone and then press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now as soon as the Infinix logo appears, you guys have to release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move through the option and then use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and this will completely erase all the data on your phone. After that, select reboot system now. After the hard reset, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. And when the phone turns on, you guys have to set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again.